Keegan?
A green train and a green and yellow car and a green caboose.
Wow. What is it doing?
It's going to pick up passengers and boxes.
Okay.
I see train station.
You do?
Yes. The straight track is the. It's going over the bridge.
Okay, let's go.
There's no more people in there. It's going to.
Now what?
Oh, there's another bridge. Oh, there's two straight tracks.
We have reached to the end of the line. Oh, they're picking up the passengers?
Yeah.
Now what?
He got passengers.
Now does he go back?
He needs to go forward.
Oh, alright. He's going to come off the track to turn around.
This is.
He's got to get back on the track. Trains can't come off the train tracks. Can they?
They're backing up on the tracks because they can go forward.
Okay, good. Good job. All aboard!
That's cool in there.
It does look cool because it's a steam train.
Yes, it is. It carries coaches.
Nice.
It's going up the bridge.
Yeah.
It's not going in the tunnel.
Nope.
It's going over those bridge.
Going over all the bridges.
And there's one more bridge, Mommy. There's
One more bridge.
It's going over it. It's so strong. You made it. And it's going down. And there's no more bridges.
No more bridge. Just the loop to turn around.
Ah, we need this switch. See?
There it goes. Now it gets to go all the way back. Sneaking through the mountains. Going over rivers.
This is a river.
Oh, that's the
going
bridge over
under
the...
the tunnel.
Yeah.
And there's a river over here going under this tunnel.
Yeah. And back to the station.